Okay, so I just found this really cool Blender add-on, or actually it's not an add-on, it's like a geometry node. So I found this on YouTube from a guy. I'll be linking the entire video in the description and the download link for this. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's basically an IV generator. Oh my god, my computer's lagging. So this is the guy who made this. He has some really cool things on his channel. He even has a full, like, I don't know what it's called. It's like a full add-on for creating environments, dynamic grass, and so many other things. But anyway, yeah. So you can watch the entire video linked in the description, and you can download the entire asset from his link in the description as well. From here, you can click on it. It will take you to this page where you can have to like sort of put your email in, and it's of course it's absolutely free. And I'm gonna be showing you how to download it. And this is the demo scene that it includes with it. I have no idea how he created that. This looks just so good. There isn't even a sun in the scene. I don't know, maybe he used some kind of node to like show the light. But anyway, so yeah, let me just show you how you can set this up. So first of all, you need to make a cube. Let me just real quick make a base simple scene for our IV to grow on. Seeing all these people making these really cool stuff makes me realize that how fucking stupid I am and how much big of this. Okay, so it's done. So what I want to do now is to add in a light to recreate the similar look that he had, because that video looked so good. It's fucking 1 a.m. Okay, anyway. So what you want to do is to create a plane or some kind of mesh for your geometry node to sit on. Once you create the plane, make sure you drag it outside of your collection or else it will not work. And make sure to put all your meshes that you want your IV to grow on a collection. So once that, you need to go into the file, in the append. You should get these two files that you can download from the link that he has provided under his video's description. So you can download this from here. So just in case you don't know what to do, I'm just going to show you how to download it. Go into the link, click on it, and it should take you to a page similar to this. Once you come up here, what you want to do is to type in a 0 if you want to download it for free. You can also give him a donation or something, I don't know. After that, there's something like this should show up. Just give in your email, doesn't matter which email you use, and then you can just from here, that view content button, pink button, clicking on that, you should get the demo scene and the node file. What you want to do is to download the node file. You can also download the demo scene to check it out what it looks like, but we just want the node file. Then open it up, go into this node tree option and click on this IV generator thing, and it should automatically import it into your scene. So now select the plane, and from selected in, go into the modifiers tab, and from here you should see this geometry node modifier, and from this here you want to click on this thing, and then you want to select the target is the collection. Remember, this collection is everything that you have in your scene. Just put every mesh into your collection if you want the IV to grow on everything. So once you select that collection, it should automatically generate these cool looking IVs into them, like these IV leaves. So don't leave the video just yet. There are a few more things that I want to talk about. Is that this thing is entirely customizable and it's fully dynamic. Let me just real quick show you here. If I were to select the pillar and move it out, as you can see, it kind of like clings to this pillar itself. You can create different collections. If you want the IV to spread onto a specific object, you can just take it out of the collection like you did for that plane. So from the parameters over here, you can actually change the resolution or the loop for how much IV there will be in the scene. You can change the size, you can change the way it looks or the noise scale and other things. So now this is literally the very basic of what this generation looks like, and you can just play on with the settings to sort of like get your desired result. Like, you can turn down the resolution if it's too high for a computer. My laptop doesn't even have a graphics card, it's just Intel HD, so don't expect too much from it. So there are a lot of parameters over here. So once you've done tweaking them and you got a result that you want, you can just click here, go to the render viewport mode. So you might notice something, that in the EV engine there is this slightly small little bug, that if you were to zoom in to the leaves themselves, you can see that they have this really weird thing over there. So this is because the material doesn't have alpha clipping enabled in the blend mode. So select this IV instance one, then go into the material tab. Oh my god, my laptop is like. So from here you should get this setting thing. From the blend mode, turn it to alpha clipping. So once you do that, something magical should happen, and yeah, your Ivy looks much better. So if you want to get the best result out of it, I would tell you to go into the Cycles engine. And in the Cycles engine, you don't really have to like manually configure it. It'll be automatically there. So yep, that's pretty much it for the Ivy generator. And if you like the video, you can sort of like put a like or something, I don't know. And make sure to check out the creators page. There is a lot more than just this in his page, and most of his content is free. I'll be putting the link in the description. So yep, thanks for watching anyway. So my PC is my laptop. Oh my god, why do I keep calling it a PC? It's a fucking laptop. So anyway, yeah,